Hey there, my YouTube pals. In today's video, I want to answer a question I get all the time, which is the Astro van big enough? So I'm going to address that, and then I'm also going to give you an update of where I am these days and where I'm headed. In my last video, the epic 27-minute Grand Canyon video, sorry, it was a little bit long. After that, I went to Flagstaff, and then I got a text from a buddy of mine, one of my best friends. He is going to be in Colorado, so I decided I'm going to start heading towards Colorado, which I plan on doing anyways. On my way to Colorado, I stopped off in Gallup, New Mexico, and I stayed at the Fire Rock Casino. And what I want to show you is a little bit of Fire Rock Casino. When I first got here, there wasn't a single RV or camp or anything on site, so I was a little skeptical, and I know why now. So let me show you around real quickly. All right, here I am in the van. I'm in the back of the parking lot. It's the very back down here. Now you see there's a freeway there that is Interstate 40 and Route 66 running side by side through here. So there is a ton of traffic coming through there. Right now there's currently one RV in the parking lot, and they just pulled up, and that's them walking up right over there. So that is the casino. They mainly have slots and maybe a few table games. And there's their sign over there, Fire Rock Navajo Casino. Now, one of the things I like about staying at casinos is they have lots of cameras. Pretty secure place, so you can feel comfortable, somewhat comfortable when you park your vehicle here overnight, and you're inside the casino. It's not going to mess with. There's cameras there. There's a camera over there, and this is the exact spot I was in last night. So I had two cameras, kind of covering the area. So you feel like your vehicle is somewhat secure over here. So another issue with parking here at Fire Rock Casino is all the trucks. Well, I parked in the back, and all the trucks started lining up back here. And you know how they like to run their engines all night and on idle. Road traffic over here, and trucks, and something else I'm about to show you. And now for the final reason as to why I will probably not be staying at Fire Rock Casino overnight in my camper van anymore is this. And this happens every 20 to 30 minutes probably. Is my van big enough? That's one of the questions I get all the time. I get asked all the time, and on YouTube comments, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. People ask me that question because yes, the Astro van is very small. It has about 8 foot of cargo room lengthwise and about, I forget, maybe 5 foot wide. So is my van too small for me? Well, if I was living in this van with a significant other and let's say a pet, a dog or something, yeah, I think it'd be cozy, but we'd all get sick of each other pretty quickly. I think it's great for one person, and let me show you why. See, a lot of people want to go with the bed in the back setup, and I totally understand. You want to set up your bed and forget about it. You don't want to worry about having to pull the bed out all the time like I have to do. Cool, understand. The problem with that is it takes up all that space there, and then now what you have to do, if you want a kitchen and a refrigerator and other things, now you've got to build those over here or in the doorway. So by building the bed there, you're thinking you're gonna have this big open space right here, but then you build that stuff over there, and you have to or build something here or put a fridge here, and then that space goes away quickly. With my setup, I have the option of always having a walkway. And I still have a little way to squeeze out of here if I need to. Or I usually will push that into the walkway, but it really comes down to how much junk you're going to try and fit in your van. How much stuff, how many things you need and don't need. And I've been on the road now for 11 months, and I've been scaling back even more what I don't need. I'm figuring out, oh, I haven't used it, I haven't touched that, get rid of it. Or if I do get something new, I've got to find out what I'm going to remove. And why is that? Because I want to keep this floor space open. The only thing I have on the floor is my backpack, well, in that water container, and my office desk there, and porta potty office desk. I like to keep space. That way I can move around. I don't feel confined. The more stuff you get, I mean, I see videos all the time of, you know, people with vans where it's completely packed and they've got to unload everything out of the van every time they get to a campsite. So I don't want that. I would rather be very minimalistic as possible, only keep the stuff that I need, and that way I can live in this van very comfortably. And yes, the van is a good size for me. It may not be for everyone, but for me, it's fine. Hi there, my YouTube pals. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Go like the video, especially if you liked it, and maybe check out one of these other videos I have listed here on the screen. You can also keep up with me on Facebook, Instagram, and travelandtroy.com. Thank you.